Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic digestion of carbohydrates. So carbohydrates, these are the biomacromolecules, and the example of carbohydrate, that is the starch, cellulose, glycogen. So this starch, that is the reserve food material of plants, glycogen, that is the reserve food material of animals, and cellulose. So plant cell wall is also made up of cellulose. So these all are known as polysaccharide. Now the question arises, what is polysaccharide? Polysaccharide means these are the complex carbohydrate molecules that are made up of more than one monosaccharides. Monosaccharides means the simple carbohydrates, we can say, like glucose, fructose. So these are made up of monosaccharides. Many sugars, we can say, these are made up of many sugars joined with a bond. So starch is there, like potato also have the starch, so that is the carbohydrate, and it is the complex carbohydrate. This complex carbohydrate is not directly used by our body, so that should be broken into simple form. So firstly, when the food enter into our mouth, in our mouth salivary amylase is there. So this amylase word is related to the you can say the digestive enzyme of carbohydrate. So starch change into maltose in our mouth. So we can say 30% of the carbohydrate that is digested in our mouth. Then what about the 70% of the starch? So this starch also digested into different parts of our alimentary canal. After the mouth, there is the esophagus. So there is the no digestion of the food in the esophagus. Only in the esophagus there is the movement of the food from mouth to the stomach. And in stomach also, because HCl is present, protein digesting enzyme pepsin is also present. So there is also no digestion of carbohydrate. So further digestion of carbohydrate that takes place in small intestine, and first part of small intestine, that is known as duodenum. So in the duodenum part, pancreatic amylase is there, means the carbohydrate digesting enzyme from pancreas. So this pancreatic amylase convert the further starch into disaccharides. Disaccharides means the simple sugar, we can say, that is the and these are made up of two monosaccharides units. And there are the examples of disaccharide. Example is maltose, lactose, and the sucrose. So these are the different, you can say, the disaccharides, but these are not the simplest one. They have the more than two monosaccharides or more than two sugar units in them. So further digestion also takes place. So firstly, this starch change into disaccharides, and disaccharides are maltose, lactose. If milk sugar is there, then we can say lactose. So in our intestine, intestinal amylase is also there. Means intestine have the enzyme known as the succus entericus, intestinal amylase, or you can say intestinal juice is there. So succus entericus, and in this intestinal juice, we can say intestinal amylase is also present. Example of intestinal amylase is like the maltase, lactase, and sucrase. So these are not the disaccharides, but these are the enzymes which help in the digestion of these disaccharides. So maltase is there, lactase, and the sucrase. So that is very clear from the name, means we can say maltase act on maltose, lactase act on lactose, and sucrase act on sucrose. So these three are the disaccharides. How these disaccharides are formed? These disaccharides are formed by the breakdown of this starch into disaccharide by the pancreatic amylase also, and 30% of the starch in our mouth that change into maltose. So in our intestine, we can say the maltose in the presence of maltase change into glucose. So this maltose that is made up of two sugar unit, maltose, so it is known as disaccharide. So glucose plus glucose. And then lactose, that is the milk sugar. This milk sugar in the presence of lactase change into glucose plus galactose, and then the sucrose in the presence of enzyme sucrase change into glucose plus fructose. So now we can conclude this thing that this glucose, this galactose and the fructose, these are the simplest sugars, or we can say these are known as monosaccharides. So these are known as the monosaccharides, and these sugars cannot be further broken into simple form. So these are known as the simplest sugar. Then these simplest sugars are absorbed by our blood, and further breakdown in respiration it takes place. So today we have just discussed the digestion of carbohydrate. So how it is digested. So firstly, complex polysaccharide starch is there, then it change into disaccharides, and in our small intestine by the pancreatic amylase and the intestinal amylase, these disaccharides then change into the simple form. And what is the simple form? Glucose is there, galactose and the fructose. So these are known as the monosaccharide. Maltose, lactose and sucrose, these are the disaccharides. Starch, glycogen, or we can say cellulose, these are the polysaccharides. Thank you.